Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are not working on the Corvette, not going to be working on the SS. We are going to be working on yet another tool for the welding projects we're going to be doing pretty soon. So, as you guys know, we picked up this AHP TIG welder a while back, and we've been slowly assembling that, getting the foot pedals, all that, the argon tank behind it. Well, we also picked up another tool for this setup, and that is going to be a small welding table. We picked up this welding table from Harbor Freight, and I think it's all one unit. So basically what this is, it's a fold-up welding table that allows you to change the position of the tabletop, and as you guys can see, it looks like you can hook two of them up together. I'm just going to stay with one for now, and it's got a table height of 32 inches, and the surface is roughly 30 by 20. And here's the item number, 61369. As you guys can see, we got the table out of the box, and it does come in two pieces, so it looks like we're going to have to attach the folding legs to the table, and they do give you some instructions. So it looks like we add some uprights to the arms, screw everything together, and then attach it to the top. Okay. Then there's some brackets that screw into the bottom of the table. Alright, so this shouldn't be too hard. Let's go ahead and get this thing assembled. Alright guys, at this point we've got the right hand side of the welding table put together. Now we're trying to put the other side together, and basically what we're going to do is put the uprights into the legs. They simply screw together with these bolts. You know, nothing too simple here. And just make sure you guys read the instructions. That's kind of the important thing. So. Alright, so the legs are now put together. Now we got to get the brackets on the top, and we'll mount the top. Alright, we have put the top together. We put the brackets in. Really only thing they might not point out in the directions is you need to put the screw through the top. There's a washer, and then the bracket, and then the nut. So make sure you guys do screw, washer, bracket, nut. Just remember that. And this, in theory, should fit on the outside. But yeah, one side. And one side. And we're basically going to have to squeeze these in until this fits on top. Alright. Now, we need to line up the top with the screw hole. And the way they want you to mount this top is they want the screw to come through the adjuster, through the bracket, and then you'll have your nut, then a washer. So let's go ahead and get this top all situated. We should be good to go. Alright guys, there you go. We have the top attached. Now, mind you, I haven't tightened any of the bolts on here, so we've still got a couple things. So we need to put one more bracket on here. It's going to go on the side of the tool holder, is what they call it, and this will basically screw and bolt in right here. So the last part we have for today's install are actually the guards, and from the looks of the diagrams, you put the L shape toward the interior, you know, underneath the table. Then you use these like quick release kind of screws, which is, they're a little weird, I'll be honest guys, but you just put your guard on, you put a washer, then you screw it into the side of the table. So, kind of like that. Okay, there you go. Alright, so there you go. You got your guards, you got your table, and I think it folds up like that. So it does, whoops. So it does kind of fold down. The only thing we have left are 2 bolts and 2 washers. I suspect that they provide you extra hardware so that you can take these tables and screw them together. So if you guys look, these 2 bolts screw into here. So I think, I could be wrong, but I think those 2 pieces are hardware. These 2 remaining bolts are designed to attach these 2 together. So not a bigger deal, but just wanted to let you know. But anyway, so I have the table fully tightened down. Obviously, lefty loosey, righty tighty ordeal. Loosen those up. Side a little screwed in more, and you'll be able to move the table. So there you go. Complete 90 degrees in either direction. And then on top of that, the leg still folds in. So this leg is folded in. Let's kick this one in. And that's basically how this table will store. So quick open the leg, open the leg, move the table. So there you go, that's pretty much the setup for your table. I've been out here, I don't know, say an hour, hour and a half, and slowly put this thing together. The instructions, I'll be honest guys, are pretty lacking. It's due to the fact that they give you all the hardware in one little baggie. So it was kind of guess as you go throughout this thing. So I actually had to remove some of the nuts from down here and move them up here, or vice versa. I forget which direction it was, but 2 of the nuts I had moved from here to down there and vice versa, because the nylon lock nuts, they provide you the nylon nuts. They're here, they're on the legs, and same thing with the other side. They're at the folding parts of the legs, as well as the brackets that swing. So I think all of the moving parts they wanted to move. Alright, so that's kind of the final position. It's not too far. It's actually not over far enough, guys. I actually need to push it further back this way, but that just gives you an idea of how very little room this will take up and how compact you guys can get it to break down. So that's gonna be it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. You know, this is a break from the Corvette and the SS, and we will be going back to those shortly. I just wanted to give you guys some content that was something different for a little while, and we'll be getting back to the car stuff and actually using that table to fabricate and weld some stuff for the Corvette. So if you guys want to watch those videos, you guys will have to subscribe and hit that bell notification button. That way you guys know when the Corvette fabrication videos pop up and you'll be able to see them. So beyond that, if you guys enjoyed the video, give it a big thumbs up. And if you guys want to help support the channel, click all the links down below and make sure you go check out BonecrrusherSS.com. That's our merchandise store, and we'll see you guys later. Thanks.